Hello, in this JavaScript video I am going to show you the number object. So we can create, a simple variable. Let's say we call it I and we assign it the value of 9 with console.log, and we could pass this as a parameter to a method, save it to a database using a mathematical calculation. Use it however we want. So if we reload that, we get the value 9. That's pretty cool. But what we can do is create a number object, which pretty simple to create it, to be fair. You just do new. So with all objects you need to use the keyword new and then number, then the actual, just a regular number. So if I put 67.4630098, and if I were to just print that out, so if I do console.log, let's see what we get. I reload, we get, it's something slightly different. It says number, then this, and then we got a bunch of other stuff. You might be thinking, what the hell is this? It's because it's an object that has a variety of properties, such as methods and functionality, that you can use to manipulate your number. So let me show you, some of that functionality. So if I do console log, and what I'm going to do now is use the precision method. So if I do dot to precision, and if I put, a value of 3, save that, refresh, it prints out 67.5. So it's done it to 3 significant figures. So if you want to do stuff like precision, just great for that. And then, there's other methods as well. I won't, show you all of them, but you can easily locate them. What I'll do is that I'll actually provide a link where you can locate or you can see all the different methods. And another one that you can do is like console.log. If you need it, this number specifically as a string, you can just do dot to string. So this will convert it into an ASCII string, which is comprised of characters. Again, it looks the same here, but when you're doing data manipulation, putting it into database or in doing some sort of computation, you might need it specifically as a string. You can do stuff like exponentials as well. That's 2 exponential. I'll leave that as an extra task for you. One last thing that I want to show you with numbers is, so not specifically on this number object, but on this number right here, so just the actual object itself, not our specific object. So for the console log number dot max underscore value, spell it correctly, refresh. Why did that not work? Number, I don't know why I put a lowercase n, uppercase n. I literally pointed to this as well. So for reload, so this just actually tells us the maximum value our numbers can be. As you can see, it is a very large number. You can do the same with min, value as well. And there's a few other properties, but this is what you need to know. Any sort of object is something that contains other properties. It could be variables, it could be methods, so functionality around some sort of data. In this case, it's numbers, and it allows you to easily manipulate those numbers. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, because this can be a slightly hard topic to get your head around, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.